Be a shining star.
All right, welcome back, guys. We've highlighted a number of camps on this morning's show, but there is no camp like camping with the family, and you can't camp without food. This morning, we're in the Smile Kitchen making a Jamaican staple, some saltfish fritters. So, yeah, we started the prep work. Deb's doing the prep for the
all
seasoning.
The choppings.
Why?
You good? You good over there? So the saltfish is getting out Italian, man.
The saltfish, I try to swim way.
I try to swim way.
All right.
Okay,
so
guys.
I'm here prepping the saltfish. It's already boiled already, so I just kind of cleaning it up and kind of just fleshing it out. All right, my pot is warming up as well.
Yeah.
And then once we pick it up, you pick up the saltfish.
Good to go.
It's named quick and fast though, so if you bite the fritters and you see a little bone, it's all right, right? You just put it one side. I'm just letting you know.
Exactly.
Just letting you know, okay?
And for the seasoning, guys, we have some scallions, we have some onions, we have some tomatoes. The seeds have been removed, and we have some sweet peppers as well. So that's all prepped here on the board. And we're going to add these to the batter that we're supposed to be preparing.
Well, the batter, no, what's going on? What's going on this morning?
What's happening, Tal?
No, the batter, we're going to make the batter soon. I'm almost finished putting the saltfish, picking up the saltfish, I should say, right?
Yeah.
And
tell me something about how you do your oil prep, though. Do you go ahead and add your garlic to the oil? Or do you add your garlic into the batter?
No, not in the batter. Not in the batter. I don't really want to bite no garlic like that. But we can add some persons add a little pepper to it.
Yeah, we don't have no pepper, but you can definitely add your country pepper, guys. And usually with this, people normally add like some black pepper, a little all-purpose seasoning if you have any, you know, just to give it a nice little flavor. All right. So everything here is prepped.
All right. So I'm actually going to, in making the batter, I'm going to put the flour, all the dry ingredients first, right? Debbie, how you do yours?
Same way.
All right, add the flour, guys, yeah? All right.
Add a pinch.
It's like a little razzle or something. My hands are a little wet, so I don't really want it to.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, a little razzle.
Improvision.
Yeah.
Yeah. Season with your ancestors, of course.
Yeah, man.
Not too much salt because the saltfish is already salt.
Woo!
Jerusalem, no salt.
There we go.
No, honestly,
you said season.
It said salt fish.
Wait, no,
okay?
you said season with my ancestors.
I just added back all the salt that was just boiled off.
Oh
the
God,
saltfish.
Debbie. Oh God, look here. Oh God, man. Right? All right, so add all those ingredients, and I'm gonna add the water.
Okay. You sure don't want to add the saltfish in there first?
No, because then the flour will itch up on the saltfish.
It's gonna itch up in the pot anyways. It's not supposed to
yeah,
come
but
apart.
I don't want to dry flour on the saltfish.
Go ahead, darling. That's fine.
All right, let me do it Debbie way. Debbie said, no, man.
All right, do it. That's fine. Do it your way. Do it your way. I'll work with you. All right.
Whippity whip. Whippity whip, whip, whip. Whippity whip, 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 whip. Whippity whip. Yeah, forget a little singing, you know. Yeah, for add a little singing to the kitchen.
Is that ingredient? It's a secret ingredient, guys.
Yeah, man. Okay? So when you sing, you show, say you're enjoying yourself.
Exactly.
Then we turn up the
people
pot.
who think that you're supposed to be adding, I think we need to just go ahead and just put the oil inside there now.
Yeah, but turn it up a little bit.
Sizzling. Right? Because one thing with the fritter, it needs to start frying as you put it inside the oil. Because if not, you're going to have soggy.
Yeah, you're going to soak up oil.
Okay, thank you very much. We have a live studio audience inside here.
Boy, I hope them, if you taste the fritters, it's a quick and fast meal. You only have 10 minutes, guys.
I'm going to add some.
Don't judge the don't judge the finished product. Just saying. All right, Deb's ready for you.
Okay, here you go.
So we're gonna add all our. Debbie,
what's a piece of catastrophe? I didn't expect that.
Debbie.
Oh, sure.
What go on?
It's not me, it's a knife. All right, cool. Hold on, the oil go on bad.
Not go on.
All right, here, we don't need all of the onion.
We like enough onion, man.
Right,
enough onion.
Hold on, the onion.
All right, yeah, man.
Woo,
yeah, man.
All onions
fritters
inside
must
there.
heavy. And full your
All right,
belly.
See it there? All right, and a little bit of garlic or no garlic? You don't want a garlic in yours?
No, it's all right. You can add it if you like it.
Okay, all right, there
No
you
matter.
go.
Yeah, man, just
A
add
little
everything.
garlic.
Add everything.
There you go.
Right as well. And then we're going to add the saltfish now.
Yeah, man, you have to add in the saltfish.
I like my saltfish chunky, you know. I don't like when I eat my fritters and I look
Yeah,
for the
where is
saltfish.
the fritters? Fritters
Fritters.
gone.
Yeah, man, I
Where
like
is the
enough
saltfish
saltfish in my
fritters?
fritters.
We don't have anything on my jiggy to turn the fritters with.
It's all right. We're going to use a spoon.
Okay, all right, here we go.
But my thing now is how we're going to throw it out.
All right, here you go, darling. Come.
Debbie, is one big fritters we're making?
No, we're going to do it in batches.
All right, go on.
Yeah.
Fritters, they look like it's a swim, but it's all right.
Don't worry. You soon see it start something there up. We have an overhead camera, right? All right, see it there. Good.
Let me go and tidy up, you know. Tidy kitchen is the way to go.
We don't have the right stuff, guys. We're just improvising as we go along. Okay? See if we can make at least 3 of them.
Debbie, you see the live studio audience we have is whole heap of them.
We don't have the time. We
everybody
only
belly.
have 2 minutes. So we're going to have to break it and serve it.
Hold on.
You have to go multiply it. See there? That's how you know it's good. Because it's moving around. It's not sticking to the pot.
All right? It's a non-stick pot.
So thank God. Okay.
All right, we have a fork coming in. And guys, we just let it fry until it gets crispy, a little golden brown.
There you go.
Yeah. There we go. Oh no, we get fork now. All right.
Thank you.
I was just improvising.
Guys,
do not fashion.
Do not do that at home. Use a fork, please, okay? Oh.
Yeah. I'm just saying.
Yeah, Lord of His mercy. Make these things them just cook down now.
Yeah, man, the saltfish look nice. I love saltfish, you know.
I say if the saltfish which I ever salty, see? With the amount of salt, which I just put it at the bottom.
Yeah, and I'm just saying, like, you know, you have to turn your hand, make fashion. We were camping earlier, so just in case we don't have the fork on hand, I just showing you, say you can use a...
Yeah, man. Use what you have. Use what you have.
Yeah,
so
man.
you probably can find a piece of stick.
Yeah.
Or something, right?
No,
that one was the first one to go in, so probably can try that one to turn it over. Yeah.
That
may have a something that go on there, so the campfire not really and truly fire at all.
No man, it's a one. It's a
Ooh, this one looks like it's coming together nicely.
Yeah.
We want to try and turn that one.
All right.
Yes. Hey.
And it's going crispy.
Solid as a rock. Okay, we're saying bye-bye now?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, well, bye-bye. Have a good weekend.
Yeah.
That was our show.
Or fritters
making. Thank you so much for watching. The thought for the day is summer means happy times and good sunshine, coming from Brian Wilson.
Yes.
I just want to say happy birthday to the persons who have celebrated their birthdays. Ashley, happy birthday.
Yes, happy birthday, Ash.
Happy birthday, Ash.
Hugs and
guys,
kisses.
big up to Bounty Killer, who has a show in New York City this evening. So for the persons who are watching us in NYC, make sure you guys are there. All right?
Yes. All right, guys. We're gonna finish frying the fritters.
Tell you the fritters are bun up.
It not bun up. Why you not turn it? Come on.
You have the fork in your hand.
We have a spoon and a knife and everything.
Just turn the one here too.
All right. No, I just turned it.
No, turn the one here.
I just turned it.
Oh, okay.
I just turned it. See? I just turned it. And now I made the food bun up. Anywho, guys, that's it. Have a great week. Right? We wish you all the very best and tune in online, yes, on social media, on Instagram to see how the fritters turn out. Yes. I promise you won't be disappointed.
It smells good.
Yeah. Until next time, guys. See you next week.
Bye. Take care.
Love you.